Hello everyone. I wanted to show you how to use some new software that we have in our Oakmont computer lab, but you can use this at home or you can use it with an iPad or other small handheld device that you might have. This is a very good tutorial program, drill and practice, that's really perfect for homework. It's also being used in a lot of the Pitt County schools. So the children in our Backyard Buddies are familiar with IXL, very familiar. They know how to use it. I've set up a special login for tutors. They can use this to go in and see what it's like and to practice. The math part of it goes up through high school, so this would be useful for you to refresh yourself on math skills if you'd like to do that. To get to the program, all you have to do is type in www.ixl.com. Then you're going to sign in with the username, and the username is BYB Tutor 82. Backyard Buddy Tutor 82. That's your login name, and the password is TUTOR, Tutor. I click sign in, and there we are. We are in our IXL program. We have two things that we have purchased for the children to use: the math part and language arts. Whenever children go into their login, it begins right away recording their work and what they get correct, what they miss, so that you can go into diagnostics and analytics, and they can view their progress and they can see their errors. And those with a administrator login like Beverly or Jimmy or myself, we can go in and look even more closely at what they're doing. So let's just look at let's go into math. And we've got a lot of kids in the 4th grade, so I'm just going to click on 4th grade. And one of the things I know they have on their intergrade tests are reading tables and charts. They are tested on that quite a bit. So here it is under this area right here. It's called J.1, read a table. So I'm going to click on that. And I've already started this earlier, just practicing. See, it times me. I've answered 4 questions already. And so if a student logs back in and they haven't finished, they can pick up where they left off. But here's how it works. For a math project, Nathan recorded how many students were wearing a t-shirt, a polo shirt, sweatshirt, sweater, or turtleneck. And then the student's going to read the table and then go down to answer the question. How many girls wore sweatshirts today? So girls wore 2 of them. So I enter 2, and of course these do get harder. I'm going to click submit, and it tells me right away. Terrific. Now let's look at this one. An Idaho farmer has been monitoring crop prices over time between 2005 and 2006. There are the prices, there are the crops. In 2006, which crop cost the most per CWT? And so we'll look at 2006, which crop cost the most. I think it's 12. Let's see. I'm just going to go real fast, not read it carefully. I'm going to click here, submit. Whoops, I made a mistake. And it immediately tells the student the correct answer is onions. They cost the most. There it is. And it shows the explanation. And this is where you want to work with your Backyard Buddy student. You want to help them read through the explanation. Many times they'll rush through this, and because they want to move fast, because they want to accumulate points. So you have to make sure they understand what's going on with it. And so you can go through the table with them and then explain how they missed the answer. And then the program itself gives a explanation for the solution. Look at the numbers in the 2006 column. So see, they can do this independently, but the thing is they won't. They'll rush past it, and that's why you all are so important for making sure they understand. After they do read the explanation, click Got It, and it immediately goes on to the next question. I think there are about 20-25 questions per activity, but it does keep up with it, and it keeps their scores, and then it will do analytics to track what they've missed, and it gives us lots of good information that we can keep up with their progress. We could even share this with the principal at their school. So I think this is a valuable thing for you to use. I just wanted to show you how to do it.